Hello, lovely people. This is your number one RN, Glory Bakope. In this video, we're going to discuss New York Board of Nursing and their requirements and the pathways. Alright, so New York Board of Nursing have two pathways. Let me first take you through the first one. The first one is going to be the new graduate pathway. In this pathway, this is when you don't need NMC. So I get a lot of people asking me that, is there a way that you can do this without NMC? Alright, so this is the pathway. You register with New York Board of Nursing. New York Board of Nursing require two courses that you need to do. The first one is child abuse identification and recording, and the other one is infection control course. Now, when you are done with this course, you decide on the pathway to choose. And the other one, like I mentioned, is the new graduate pathway. In this pathway, you are telling New York Board that you are a new graduate, and for that reason, you don't have a license. Therefore, you would fill the nurse Form 2 F form. Yeah. So with this form, whenever you take this form to your school fills it and send it to New York Board of Nursing. This way, New York Board of Nursing themselves are going to evaluate your credentials through that form from your school, and therefore they don't contact NMC. When they are done and you are done with these two courses that I mentioned, then they give you the go-ahead to register with Pearson VUE. The other pathway is you using CGFNS. So in this case, you would get the form to your school and also to NMC. Then they forward everything to CGFNS. That way, CGFNS does your evaluation for you and then send it to New York Board, right? So these are the two pathways. Now, let me give you the caution here. If you are an internationally trained nurse and you are in Ghana or you are even in the US without a work permit, and you use the first pathway, which is the board evaluating you, at the end of everything, when you are being processed through the visa acquisition process, you will need what we call the visa screen. You can watch that in my next video. Through this visa screen, you will need an evaluation to either CGFNS or Josephson, who issues this visa screen, for them to be able to give you the certificate. Because of that, you will still have to do a second evaluation. But if you're already in US, you have your work permit, you don't need to go through this long process. You can just choose the first pathway where the board does your evaluation and you are good to go. I hope this video helps you. If you have further questions, you can put it under the video or you can DM me. Please don't forget to follow us on TikTok, K&A_selected, and on YouTube, K&A. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Watch out for the next video on another board, which is going to be Texas Board of Nursing. Thank you.